Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to track Fdic insurance coverage for your Lendingclub deposits. Lendingclub Bank is an Fdic insured institution, which means that your deposits are protected up to the standard insurance limit, which is currently $250,000 per depositor per ownership category. To track your coverage, you can just log into your Lendingclub account and then review your account balance across check-ins, savings, and CDs. Since Fdic protection applies per ownership type, you're going to make sure that you consider whether your accounts are individual, joint, or trust accounts. If your deposit approaches the coverage limits, Lendingclub provides resources and of course customer support to help you understand how your money is insured and whether you need to diversify accounts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.